exposing the top natural ways to prevent colon cancer. First up, conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA. This fatty acid has anti-tumor properties and is found in grass-fed red meat and dairy. Mainstream advice says avoid red meat, but make sure it's grass-fed for those benefits. Next, fermented foods like kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. These foods help your gut create short-chain fatty acids which fight colon cancer. Number 3, probiotics. They encourage cancer cells to self-destruct, so a high-quality probiotic is a must. Fourth is fasting. It not only inhibits colorectal cancer but also boosts the diversity of your gut microbes, which is crucial since up to 80% of your immune system is in your gut. Fifth, fiber, specifically vegetable fiber. It turns into short-chain fatty acids and fights colon cancer. Go for low-starch leafy greens. Lastly, veggies themselves are loaded with anti-cancer properties. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli are top-notch. Incorporate these 6 tips to help keep colon cancer at bay. Stay healthy and thanks for watching.